In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to promote your print-on-demand products. Like this t-shirt, for example. It's a way for your product to look unique, to really stand out in that social media feed. And it's a really good way to test out your product placements before you commit to the final design decisions. If you're new here, a warm welcome. My name is Tatiana Denis. And on this channel, I share tutorials on how to draw kawaii, tips and tricks, and how to monetize your art using print-on-demand services. If this sounds interesting to you, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of every new video I create. In my print-on-demand practice, right now, for now, I mostly upload to Redbubble, and I used to always just go to their product promo page, download the mockup images, and put them up on Instagram. And then one day, I saw a friend with beautiful Halloween pictures, and I said to her, "How did you do that?" And she said, "Oh, I use this service called PlaceIt, and you can use it too." So what do you know? Within 5 minutes, I was there, I signed up, and now I am a very happy user of PlaceIt. And today I want to share it with you and to actually demo for you how to use it. And I have a special offer which I will share at the end. And if you like this t-shirt I'm wearing right now and I will be using to demo to you how to use PlaceIt, then there is a link in the description below where you can buy one of your own. When you log into PlaceIt, this is the homepage that you are going to see. And here you can create all kinds of different mockups. Specifically, like check this out, they even have a section for print-on-demand mockups. You can also do other kinds of apparel, digital print, you can have a play with it. But let's go to print-on-demand t-shirts, which is the most relevant. I just want to give you an example of how I would go about using this. So let's say I want to show this t-shirt I'm wearing right now on social media, but I want to present it in an interesting way. So I went to mockups, I went to print on demand, and I went to t-shirts. And here I can select which of these images would actually have my t-shirt in it. And you see, they even have videos that you can put in your stories. They have different kinds of filters. For example, I can have a boy, a girl, a man, a woman. You can filter it by age, ethnicity. Very cool. So let's go for a woman because I would imagine this t-shirt to be most suitable to a woman. And actually, I would even say it's more of a girl shirt. So let's go for a girl. And here we have a number of images. So I'm just going to scroll and find, like any of these would actually work, but I'm just going to scroll and find the one I like. This looks kind of cute. Let's go and edit it. So you click on it and you land on the editor of your mockup. And check this out. You can change everything here. So for example, let's just start with a t-shirt. I can go ahead and upload my image. So I've already uploaded in the past because I've shared it on Instagram. So I'm going to grab it from my downloads. But if you haven't uploaded before, then you would grab a new image. And then I probably want to move it up and I want to scale it up a bit. This looks good. And I'll press crop. And there is my image. You can't see it very well because this t-shirt color is not suitable. So let's change that. I've designed this image to go mostly on the purple or kind of iris color shirt. So that's the one I'm going to pick in the mockup editor. But check this out. I could also just select one of the existing colors. And it looks way more saturated than the Redbubble purple shirt. And I just know that from experience. So I can also click on more and it'll let me precisely control the color. Then I say choose and it'll use that color. So cool. And then the background circle, I want to make it more neutral. So all of these elements can be edited. I'm gonna go with a more neutral kind of gray and maybe a greeny gray because to contrast nicely with the purple. Yeah, that looks good. Let's try changing the background and see what we get. So I don't want to do a gradient. I'm going to go no image, but if you wanted to, you could have a fancy background, or you could even upload your own image. But I'm going to go with no image, and I'm just going to select a solid color. That looks kind of flat, so we'll change it. Maybe we'll do the big background in green and then the girl background in lilac. Yeah, that looks better. Also, another thing you can do is, for example, you see her pants, like I would want to echo the color of her pants. So maybe this background would be more like this blue over here. So if we go to the background, more, and I can use the eyedropper to sample the color of her pants. And it's something like this. Yeah, that looks much better. So at this point, I'm happy with the mockup. You can match this design to your Instagram feed aesthetic or your product range or your seasonal colors. And when you are ready, you can click download, and then you can download this image that you have just created. You can also save your draft in case you want to do something similar later and you don't want to start from scratch. Now, let me show you another cool thing you can do here. I'm going to go to my saved drafts. So my drafts, and we should see the design we just created here. So there is one that I created earlier, and I want to show you that you don't always have to pick a person. You can also demo your products as a Flatlay. This is the image that I shared on Instagram for this design. And the same here, like the super cool thing is that you can even change the color of the handbag. Maybe it's purple. Doesn't exactly go. Maybe it's this mint color, the same as the mane of the unicorn. Like that could be. You can get as granular as this color, the background color, the t-shirt color. You can really customize it a lot. And besides mockups, there are many cool things that you can place using PlaceIt. If you want to play around with PlaceIt yourself, I'll drop my affiliate link in the description below, and you can get 50% off your annual subscription, which is a really good value. You see how easy and fun it is? This is a really good way to make your work stand out, and it doesn't get old. While the mock-up images from print-on-demand services might get pretty stale, you know, it's the same thing over and over. PlaceIt is uploading new design every week, every month. Sure, I could photograph myself wearing this t-shirt, or I could ask a friend to pose for me, or I could lay out a flat lay on my studio and try to photograph it, but who's got time for this? I want it quick, I want it good, and I want it effective. The photographers at PlaceIt do this for a living. This is their job. They are really good at it. And I don't need to learn all the ins and outs of product photography at this point. This is a really good way to make your work stand out in that social media feed and to test out your products in the environments, in the context, on the human body before you commit to deciding this is the final version. If this information is helpful to you, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you want to give it a go yourself and leverage all these amazing features of PlaceIt, then I have a special offer. You can get 50% off, 50% off annual subscription with my affiliate link, which is in the description below. It's tatianadenis.com/PlaceIt. Sign up and in 5 minutes, you too will have an easy way to promote your print-on-demand products. Thank you for being here, and I will see you again soon.